Hello guys. So my problem is that someone butchered this chain 404 pitch. This is really dull, damaged real bad, and someone ground it with the grinder before and cooked it. So, but I don't have a grinder home, and I found the solution. I managed to pick up these carbide burrs, and I will sacrifice a little bit of life of the chain to grind this hardened dull edge off, and then reprofile it with how so with these bad boys files, chainsaw files, like this. But I need to take this hardened dull edge off first.